Hey guys, today we are in the middle of nowhere looking at a gold mine of classic cars. As you can tell, they are all behind me and we're gonna look pretty much most of them. So let's get to it. So Zach says this is a trailer. Farm truck. It's an old school bus.
This has been turned into a trailer. So they were pulling this behind their vehicle, and who knows, probably camping in it.
So it is a trailer, there's a hitch down there. So someone has turned this, I mean, you could easily turn this into a camping trailer or just storage, really. And what I'm standing on right now is apparently a hearse. I didn't realize it, but hopefully there's not anyone in it. Is the interior good in that?
Looks good. I mean, from here, everything looks good. The windows aren't shot out. That's a plus.
Let's come over there. A door in the back. Yeah. How much would you pay for this?
Oh, I'm gonna probably be offering $3,000 and see if we can make something happen. This is crazy. This truck, if you check up on the firewall, still has the chalk markings from the factory with, I'm guessing would have been the details on some of the accessory stuff, the add-ons they put in the factory. I mean, you can check, it still has the stickers. Man, this thing's a time capsule. I gotta find a way to get this out of here. Yeah, it looks pretty good in here.
This floor's got big-foot floors are always brought a little windshield there on the outside here.
Okay.
An 84 Chevy Blazer. So Zach's looking at it right now. He thinks he's probably gonna get it. Yeah, so he just said to the guy that he's gonna take it. So we're gonna load that up.
And the back door, just the whole right side just flopping
Flop around,
like this,
good
yeah.
God.
And it goes.
One sec, came off.
At least it's going.
It's like playing tug of war. All right, some treasures over here. We got to navigate some long grass. Not it. Short bed.
Both of them right there.
Got a little rusty coffee. Check that thing out. Short bed, complete side with the trim.
It's got some rust on the bottom. Man, this is a nice truck.
The big back glass. You can see that one's small back. So this is
Yeah.
big.
Good ornament.
Yeah. This long bed. Somebody's original made. Diamonds in the rough.
Yeah, you should bring this up to the owner, see if you can get this.
I think I will. I know he preferred it not seldom, but every time I come here, I try to just show a little interest on something else. So then in the back of his mind, he's thinking, okay, maybe we'll do something.
All right, so we see some cars back in the distance trying to navigate to them. And this is rattlesnake country. Zach is taking us through.
There's at least 67.
It's a limo.
I think this is about 55, that era, the equivalent of a COE. I can't remember exactly what they classify them as, but man, they're cool. They got that style that everybody loves. These have one headlight, which I prefer. That's my favorite. It's 55, 67. To each their own, but man, this thing's solid. It had been sold, but nobody's come and picked it up. So there's a chance that I'm next in line when we get something done on it. This truck out here in the scrapyard, he uses this truck to raise honeybees. So if you come out here in the summer, I came out here in the summer and I bet there was 20,000 bees in this truck. I have no idea what it looks like in there.
Where do the bees go in the winter?
I
don't know anything about beekeeping, but
I think it's something is if you keep their house intact, somehow they come back to it. That's what
Really?
That's what he told me. Don't quote me on that. I'm not a bee guy.
U.S. Army. So this is a police vehicle?
Yeah, come and check this other side out. It says police in big letters here. U.S. Army, IB 7665 for official use only. How cool is that? And look at like the trim, fancy trim package. Can you imagine?
That is awesome.
Getting pulled over by this thing. Here's the VIN tag.
I just want the door.
Yeah, that's what a lot of people want. Is I put a picture up. It's a 56. Yeah, still has the tag. Just check that
56.
out.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't see that anymore. '40s, early '50s.
Yeah, there we go.
Concord.
You just took that, put a power plant in it, left it as is. It's probably Chrysler Concord, two-door coupe.
It's got a nice front end.
Plymouth Concord.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the Art Deco era. This is the end of kind of the Art Deco era where, man, there's still some cool style. That little coupe, awesome patina. I'd love to see that rolling around as is.
So Zach put that hood on. I guess it fell off.
Well, I found it last time. It was like underneath this back wheel. 46 Chevrolet.
So he won't sell this truck?
Nope. I threw a pretty good offer at him, and There was no budget. It's really any 40s era truck he won't sell, or it's nobody wants to pay a price tag.
Man, there's a little forest in there.
Check out the back window.
Got hit with something.
That's nice in there. You never get that
Yeah.
good close.
It's got a forest in there too. Check out that Ford. 1941. Really cool patina. Bumper. What's the back of the bed look like? No.
This is kind of a big truck. There's a student.
Yeah, it is really big. Oh, it's rusted out the bottom.